It's important to teach these techniques in the shelters because a lot of the dogs are getting put down, and that's just because of not properly handling them, not knowing the right techniques, the training methods, which is what I like about this program. This has been my second training class. Obviously I loved it the first time, which is why I came back, and I'm still learning new stuff. He's reintroducing new techniques. I would definitely recommend this program to anybody else that works in the animal world. It's very helpful, and the techniques work. It's proven. You go out there in the field and you're hands-on, like I said, with the dogs, and you see these techniques work right in front of you.